Hello everyone. I hope everything is great. So in last video we learned how to create the HTML tables, how to resize the tables, and if you did not watch those videos, so you can check it from the description section of this video. I have add all the links in the description section. Today we will explore more properties of table. So let's start without wasting time. So let's assume in a real situation where we have a big document and there can be multiple tables and each table display different type of data. Now what is the case? We want to show the user that this table have this type of data, another table have the another type of data. So how we can do that? We can do this by adding some information at the top side of the table. If you go through some different big documents, you can think that when we read the big Word document that have multiple tables, we add a caption of the table that will provide the details of a specific table, what type of data that table can have, and what we can do with this table. This type of information is added in the table caption, or we can say the overall table title. So same thing how we can do in the HTML. For this we use the HTML caption tag. Open caption tab, then the content and closing caption tag, right? So let's implement this tag in the actual table. Just for time saving, I copy this structure and add a new heading, table caption. Okay, command V to paste, save this, go to browser, refresh. You can see this new table caption heading is added and this table is uh, also added here. Now I want to add some information. Let's add one paragraph over this table where we give information about the user, what can we do with this user. Okay, how we can download the reports and some other information about the document. Okay, let me save this, go to browser, refresh. So this is the normal paragraph. Now I want to show the information of this table. So inside the table tag and before each row I add the caption tag here and add the content user details. Okay, now I can save this page, go to browser, refresh, and you can see user details is added here. Okay, now I can style this caption accordingly. Maybe we can add a inline CSS, or by use of the external CSS we can style this. Let me add the color and I give the default color black. Go to browser, refresh. You can see now this will reflect in the black color. So this way we can style this caption as well, and we add a specific title on the table. So this is all about the table caption, or we can say table title. Let's move to the next. point. So let's discuss the another case. So I have a table, okay, and in this table I want to show the username, but in the columns I want to separate the first name, middle name, and the last name. But overall column name is the username and email and phone number. So how we can do this thing, how we can merge the columns and show a single title for multiple column? Let's discuss this thing. I am adding just one heading here, merge cells. Okay, and just for time saving, I am copy this structure, paste here, and add some records. Instead of the username, I just added it to name, and also I okay, no worries, this can be anything. I add some name. Let me add one name. Copy this. This is represent middle name and this is the last name. Maybe this name does not have the middle name, so I show only the hyphen and as the last name Prashad. Copy this structure and paste here. Name may be Sonu and this user have the middle name Singh and last name is Prasad. Let me save this, go to browser, refresh, and this merge cells heading will have this table now. What is the case? Ram and middle name is blank, last name is Prasad, same way this user. But name does not include all of these columns. It does not represent all of these columns. So how we can do this? We have one property of the cells Colspan that represent the colons span. Okay, so I just give the it's call span. Okay, let's implement here. So what I did, I want to merge these three cells for this heading. So I add the call span property here, call span, and I want to span the three column. First name, middle name, and last name. So I give the three value, save this, go to browser and refresh. Now you can see this name represent the first name, middle name, and the last name. Okay, and this way you can separate the name in three columns and the heading represent only by the single column. So this type of situation you can handle by the use of call span property. Same way, now there is another case. What happens? Let's assume some user have the different email and different phone number. So instead of adding the two records, we want to merge, we want to add the name in a single row and add multiple emails and phone number. Let us add this scenario. I copy this row and paste this row for two times. Change the name, maybe Monu Singh Prasad and Monu Singh Prasad. Okay. Add the email monu at the rate gmail.com and monu123 at the rate gmail.com. And this user also have the different two numbers 45. I just add the random number just for creating the sample records here. Save this file, go to browser and refresh. Now you can see Monu Singh Prasad, and Monu Singh Prasad is the duplicate record, and both these record have the different email and different phone. So how we can, how what we want, we just want to merge these rows and separate these email and the phone number. So how we can do this? For this we have the property rowspan. It represents the rows span. It merges the multiple rows. And how we can give the value of this? Simply by using the, as we have the option in the columns. So we can give the value in the number format. So what I did, I add the row span property, and I want to merge two rows. So this, copy this thing, paste in. This will be happen for the Singh colon as well, and also for the Prasad colon. Okay, and now we don't require these things, just remove this. Save this, go to browser and refresh. Now you can see the Monu Singh Prasad is shared between these two rows, and we easily understand that this user have two email and two phone numbers. We can also merge if user have the same phone number. So what we did, I add the same, oh, I want to add it here, rowspan 2, and remove this from here. Save this file, go to browser, refresh. You can see Monu Singh Prasad shared, have the two emails but the shared phone number. So by this way you can merge multiple rows. So this way you can handle this type of problem. If you want to merge the two colons or multiple colons, and same way if you want to merge the multiple rows, you can use the row span and the colon span properties. So for this video, that's it. In the next video we learn other properties of table. So be with me, together we will learn complete table properties. And for now, that's it. Thanks and bye bye. And just one request, if you like this video, comment on this video, like this video, share this video, and as well as subscribe our channel. Thanks and bye bye.